So this is what we will be expecting for the day on our AUDUSD. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. To those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you haven't done that yet, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Like we said previously, we are still anticipating for a movement to the downside on our AUD. Now take a look at it right here. Well, at first, right, this was a previous trend. Once you guys know, this is the previous trend. Markets literally trend gave us that uptrend move, right? That came to touch this resistance level, which is right here. So this is the major red level. Then eventually, markets was able to give us a reversal pattern, which is a double top. Now the market gave us the reversal pattern, which is double top. Market was able to drop, and now you can see it. Since then, market has now been giving us a series of lower low, and then here comes the lower high. Market was able to drop to give us a new lower low. Here comes the lower high. Market then was able to drop to form a new lower low. Now we will be expecting market to give us a lower high before another drop to form a new lower low will likely play out. So guys, we would be anticipating for a bearish move for the day on our AUD. So this is the low and this is the lower high. Now this is also the lower low. Now we will be expecting AUD to give us a lower high. Once it gives us the lower high, the one more drop will most likely go to play out that will form a new lower low. Right, so that is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUD. Now to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.